Hi everyone, welcome back to Excel Mastery. This video is going to be super helpful for you if you make some reports from scratch every day. Today I'm going to show you a trick that is called macros, and it will make your work much easier, and it will save you a lot of time. So before we begin, I would request you kindly subscribe to the channel so that I can keep bringing you more useful lessons like this. So please subscribe to the channel. So let's get started quickly. So we'll go to the developer tab and we'll click on the record macro. Once I click on the record macro, I will get this pop-up, get this dialog box. So from macro, I can name it over here. Like anything I want, I can just do it. So let's say it's ent I can name it entry, and I can make the shortcut key control any you know anything you want to choose, you can choose it. So I can choose control H, press OK. Now I will create a small data over here. So let's say serial number 1 2. We'll drag this down and we'll give the name over here. You will give rate, quantity, and amount. Quickly do some formatting. uh, Make it blue, and the font color will make it white, middle it. Now I'll make a you know data validation over here. So we'll select this sales, go to data tab, data validation. We'll select the list and the source. I have some names over here, the clothing names. So I will select this range and we'll press OK. Now you see I have you know I have this tab ready with the options: t-shirt, polo shirt, formal, jeans. So I have a clothing names over here, and I will also drag this down uh, till here. Now you see every sales have this options, this drop down, and I will just give the formula over here. So equals to rate multiply by quantity, and we'll drag this down as well till here. So you see my data is ready. My data set is ready. So I will just stop the recording by going to the developer tab, stop recording. So the recording has been stopped now. So now if I come back tomorrow for work and I have to do it again, everything. So what I will do, I will just add the new sheet over here, and I will just press the Control H, that I made the shortcut key, Control H. So you see my data is already done. My data is already ready. So I don't have to make this data again and again every day. I will just, press the Control H and my data will be done. So I will just select this options, give the rates 4,000, anything I want, and 3,000. Just select anything you want. 3,000, quantity, let's say 1,000, shorts 1,200, hoodie 200, 1000. So this is how we can make this, you know, data so that we don't have to do it again and again. Uh, So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will be back soon with with another easy and powerful Excel trick. This is how you can, make this uh, data automate, and it is very easy and very, simple. You can always try it whenever you do such things. You can always try it. Okay. So thank you so much for watching the video, and have a good day. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.